Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler 300 Limited in maximum steel. With adaptive BI-XENON HID headlamps, automatic headlamp leveling system, 19-inch aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with turn signals, adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated seats, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated second row seats, rear 60/40 folding seat, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5495.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.